tanan. This is a balloon. So for today's exercise, this balloon will represent your lungs. So first, you will demonstrate the ventilation process. Okay? So kung mag-ventilate mo, usually, ano ito yung first step of ventilation? During inspiration, ano ito? There is the stretching of the lungs. Okay? Nano mo stretch man ang lungs? Nano mo stretch ang lungs? Nano? Why is that? Why?
To decrease pressure.
Why is that? Ayasa na tawaga ka ng pressure. Nano man mo stretch siya?
Plastic man.
Stretch niya?
Plastic. Oh, air.
Ha? Nears. Muscles. Very good. The muscles will pull on the lungs, right? Okay, so once that happens, students, it's a mo. What happens to the pressure inside? Why is it negative? As volume increases, pressure decreases. Okay. Then, after that, nanamusunod mo ng hangin. High to low pressure, because in a high pressure environment, from a high pressure, so example lang, this is your high pressure environment, di ba? When I do this, press na mo sa plunger, kasi may tabo sa volume dito sa sulit. It will decrease, right? And once it decreases, the pressure inside the chamber becomes increase. So, ang tendency na, since taas ang pressure dire, then the outside environment has low pressure, the air from the high pressure environment will go to the area of low pressure na environment. Same with your lungs. Okay? So, kaniron, normally students, your lungs are inflated. Why is it inflated? So, the pressure inside your lungs should be at negative pressure. Ano naman daw? Because your lungs, your respiratory system is constantly open to the environment. If the lungs does not maintain, if it doesn't maintain, if it doesn't maintain the negative pressure inside the lungs, this will happen. So, saan ito mo sa inyong lungs? It will atelectize or collapse yan. Okay? That is why you need to maintain negative pressure. Okay? Doc, what happens man if ma-equal ang pressure sa lungs? Ma-equal sa environment. See? Once I remove my hand from the agyanan sa hangin, or once I remove my hand from this area here, there will be an open exposure to the lung, parenchyma, and the environment. And once that happens, the air will try to equalize. That is why if you suddenly mag-equal, there is a change in pressure, your lungs is equal to that of the atmospheric pressure, that will result in atelectasis. Okay, another instance, students, that Doc, what if, Doc, for some reason the environment, mutaas ang pressure sa environment. Okay? Asa man ang environment ang taas kay pressure? Ilalong sa dagat. That is why, students, if you go very deep into the ocean, where the pressure is very great, even if you're wearing scuba gear, because of the pressure of the ocean, you can air from your scuba gear will not go into your lungs. That is why kung mag-scuba ka, kung mula mo nakapag-ayo, the morning mo, musak ka dapat sa air because it makes the air ang pressure mo ko diha very great that the air will not go into your lungs. Okay? That is why, kutob lang ka, pilang ginaka-fit ang sa scuba gani, murag I think 200 meters, that's the maximum length na mag-scuba gear ka. Kung more than that, dapat expert na ka o ka na kay mga special na gamit. Okay? Did you follow? So, if ever gani, muato ka sa ilalong sa dagat for some reason, like bulok-sulong ka, then muato ka sa pinaka-ilalong, your lungs inside there will collapse. Okay? So, mo nang mamatay din ka if ever muato ka. Bisan nagda pa kay pila ka oxygen tank, the air will simply not go into your lungs. Okay? Sige, so, any questions? So, i-demonstrate ninyo ha. So, as a group, yun ang buhato na. Yan, so na lang ka sa inyong next na activity para kausan lang mag-demo. Okay? After na, you clean up and you may go. Ha? So,